Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of 2021's Vlogmas. I am so excited that you are here. Today we are going into travel. I'm going to give you some reasons why you should go to Grand Palladium. If you have ever thought about staying there or you're not sure where to stay and you want a good hotel, budget friendly, quality food, good vibes, good customer service, this is the hotel for you. So if you're interested in finding out more about this hotel, then stay tuned. Hi peeps, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in because you know the first thing I want to talk about is the food. To this day, I'm still salivating on the food because it was just so good. The quality is good. The service of the persons are just as great because I'm not gonna lie, the food was so good that I didn't even want to leave some of the restaurants. I've been hearing that across the board at Grand Palladium, so I just wanted to say the food and the liquor, top tier. So one recommendation I'll have for you guys, since Grand Palladium is really large, you want to actually find out the opening and closing times because COVID, and go and try out all the cuisines because they have a diverse amount of offerings for you. You will literally not know what to do with food after. I'll suggest to bring it to your room. The next one I want to talk about is a big reason for me is the customer service. They were really nice, they were really friendly. I did not have a case where the customer service was down or it was even average. Everybody consistently went above and beyond. Everybody had a smile on their face. So the customer service is a good 5 out of 5 for me. Don't want to go to any other hotel. Just saying. So the third reason, the panini is a thing, so you want to make sure that COVID protocols are adhered to. You want to make sure that social distancing especially is something that they uphold. I can safely tell you that the property is so large that you will get lost, to the point where you don't even know where your room is. You have to ask for directions and you have to walk a long distance. All right guys, so don't worry about crowding, don't worry about people in your personal space because there is enough space for everybody. I want to tell you that rooms are just as spacious as the property. Bring your friend, bring your auntie, bring your uncle, sister, dog, bring your family members, because the room is so big, the room is spacious, the room is just welcoming, it's comfortable, it is... I want to go back. You can obviously tell that I want to go back. Like, it is on one of my top 5 hotels to go again and again and again and again and again. Like, it is just... yeah. But yeah, the rooms are really spacious and you get value for your money. You have a big shower as well as the bathtub. Like, I spent most of the time in the bathtub. Let me just go to the next one and stop chat. Another reason is that they have activities around the clock. They have more than one pool. They have a main pool, well, near to the lobby, and then they have like different pools, like an adult only pool and some other places, as well as beach. But they have activities around the clock. You will never get bored to the point where you have FOMO, fear of missing out, because chances are you want to go and have fun. Night party, Halloween party, Christmas party. They are keeping up with the times, and the body says no. Sometimes you're extremely tired because you had a fun-filled day of activities, and now they're coming with activities in the night and they're making it look like, yes, you're gonna have fun, but your body just tired. So I'm just saying that to say that they have so many activities for you around the clock that you will not run out of things to do, and you will never say that you are bored at Grand Palladium. The final reason I would say is that they treat you like family. It is easy to make friends with the staff. It is easy to make friends with guests. Like, I kid you not, I think we met a Haitian and a Trini, and the rest was history, because everybody's having a vibe. It is a whole mood. They create the atmosphere for you to have fun, and I want to just say that you feel like you don't want to leave, you want to extend your stay, and you want to never go back to the life you had before. It is that much fun at Grand Palladium. I know a lot of persons say, oh, you know, nah, maybe let me go for another hotel closer to wherever you're coming from, or you see other things advertised much more than Grand Palladium, so you might say, oh, you know, maybe let's pass on that one. But do not pass, guys. Do not pass, because I am telling you, I look for a lot of things, and it really influences my stay at a hotel or whether or not I book. And I can safely say, if you book Grand Palladium, you'll never look back. It will be the easiest decision you've made for this year or next year or the year after. I'm just saying, do it and then tell me later. But guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video, because I am talking about hotels, and I'm talking about affordability, and I'm talking about value for your money, and then some. So make sure that you look into booking that hotel. I'm not gonna influence you and tell you, you know, if you don't book it, then nah, that's not what I'm about. I'm just saying, it's a vibe. It's a vibe, guys. It's a vibe. So tell me in the comments if you've ever booked it. How was your stay? If you're looking to book it, what are your reservations? And if you will book it in the future, whatever questions you have, so I can clear it up, so you can come to Jamaica or traverse from Kingston or wherever you are, Jamaican local, and book your stay and tell me how it goes. And tell me, yeah, Lex, you were right. You were right. So looking forward to that. I hope you have a great day, great week, great month, and great year. It does not matter as long as it's great. I know we are coming to the end of 2021, and we're looking forward to the new year. I hope you guys had a great one though, like big man thing. I hope you had a great one. I hope you're living to see another one and ready for this new year, because we've been through the most. I'm gonna leave you right now, like I've been saying for the past minute and a half. My OG subscribers, thank you for the support. You don't know how much it means to me. My newbies, welcome. My name is Lex. I make travel, lifestyle vlogs, everything Jamaican, because I'm a Jamaican, so you know, it kind of just clicks. I'm gonna go now. I'm just gonna go, because I find like I'm rambling off. Guys, bye.